Do you feel like you're stuck in a negative thought pattern, emotion, or just feeling like negativity is all around you? We have the perfect stone for you. I like to use Smoky Quartz in your daily meditation to deepen your spiritual practice and connect you with the element of earth. It also helps to balance your root chakra, helping you feel more safe, protected, and present. Wearing Smoky Quartz jewelry is an effective way to connect with the stone's energy throughout the day. I personally like to wear Smoky Quartz every day for protection, aiding in grounding and stabilizing my energy. It also helps to remind me to let go and release of any normal, lower vibrational energy or negativity. Carry Smoky Quartz tumble stones with you when you're on the go to help ground your energy during times of high stress and to promote positive thinking. It's a powerful cleanser that can help you release what no longer serves you for your highest purpose. In addition to wearing and carrying Smoky Quartz, it can also be placed in your home, car, or desk to help clear away negative energy and assist you in keeping your space grounded. I also like them in my decor as a visual reminder to return to a state of calm, peace, and serenity. To cleanse, Smoky Quartz is a water-safe crystal, as we know from the Mohs hardness scale, as it rates out of 7. So you can hold your stone under running water to cleanse it. I also sometimes put this in salts too, and set it out under the full moon to charge it and stuff. But then you can also use your preferred method of smoke cleansing, soil from the earth, sound cleansing, or place under the full moon, like I just said, to charge it, to cleanse it. It's really up to you with the quartz crystals on how you want to go about doing it. If you want to learn more about the metaphysical properties, the geology, or how to use specific crystals, please like and follow us. And then also visit our website. We're a crystal shop. We sell crystals. So I don't think many people out there know that we are actually a crystal shop, not just an education source.